Hello and welcome to Chart of the Day Cafe for Tuesday, June 19th, 2018. Disclaimer quickly, trading stocks is a high level of risk and viewers should complete their own due diligence on any stock or underlying that they intend to own. 100% of the content of this video and communique is intended for journalistic and educational purposes only. This video and all indicators, strategies, and articles herein should not be construed as investment advice, not making any recommendations. Always for your further. Good morning, Sue here. Hope you had a great weekend and a wonderful Father's Day if you are a dad. The week is shaping up to be kind of an interesting one. I'm filming this at about 8:20 on Tuesday morning, and last time I looked, the futures were off. The Dow futures were off by about 320 points. So we're going to get a really soft start to the day. But with that, let's get into today's video. If you know me, I always start my videos off with a look at the Russell Index. I use the Russell as my simple guide and proxy for the markets overall. And for that, I use the IWM, which is the ETF that represents the Russell 2000. And I like to step back and take a look at it on a 5-year monthly time frame. So we're looking at a bear chart. The only indicator I have on here is my blue line, which is my 8-day EMA. And we can clearly see the candles for the month. This was May, this is June so far, after we had some sideways consolidation. So May strong, June strong so far, but we'll see what happens with the balance of the 9 trading days left in the month. We don't want today to be the start of something more serious, so we're going to keep a close eye. I'm going to put my drawings back on, and this black diagonal line is really the main guide for me on this chart. I like to see price on the Russell on the monthly up and over this black diagonal line, which we clearly have right now. The pink line is short-term support resistance, medium and long-term, kind of ignoring these for now and just kind of staying with this area right here. So I'm going to move it away from the 5-year monthly to the 1-year weekly. And as you can see on the 1-year weekly, price is up and over the 8-day EMA. Our support is way down here. I want to see how the weekly candle shapes up in this area. So far it's bullish because we've had a pretty strong run of it, but I want to make sure that this candle does not start to turn red and revert down. I'm going to move it away from the 1-year weekly to the 6-month daily, and as we can see on the daily, refreshes, price is up and over the blue 8-day EMA. We had a strong day yesterday. With the futures off so much though, I would sort of expect price to start moving below my 8-day EMA here. We'll see. I'll check it at the end of the day. But I'm not going to put a new chart forward this morning. It's up and over the 8-day EMA, but with the futures off so much, the one ETF that I will be keeping an eye on this morning is TLT, which is the long bond. So this is the 20-year plus Treasury bond ETF in the US. I'm going to go over to the 2-year weekly chart. I'm going to take away all my drawings, and it's trading sideways here, kind of consolidated in this area, had a little bit of lift, looks like it's consolidating again, but if there's really something coming into the markets here that might pull it down, this might get some lift and a bid here. So this is the weekly look. Let's move it over to the daily, 6-month daily. So what I would be looking for is a move. It's up and over the 8-day EMA. Had a weaker day yesterday. I want to see a strong candle up and over this area here. So I will be keeping an eye on this ETF in the days ahead to see if it starts to catch some wind. So today's video is really short. We'll see how things go in the next couple of days, and we'll be back on Thursday. Thanks for watching.